AI, machine learning, and what have you, it is so sweet to hear and to experience. And then, of course, something taking away all your headache and taking decision for you, decision whether to lend, decision whether not to lend, doing that on your behalf. It's very sweet to make sure that your loan loss or loan provisioning is reduced, and then you are able to do huge volume of transaction like Kennedy was alluding to. Those are the great part of AI contribution to value maximization. However, it is also very important to see to certain things to ensure that this platform continues to deliver optimally. Okay, so you want to ensure that real-time data feeds are incorporated because things changes per time. Somebody that is taking loan now can come back tomorrow, okay? Or may have even gone to another bank to take a loan. Okay, so on the third day, he has come back to you. Yesterday, he's gone to Trust Bank in Gambia, has taken loan. Okay, so so real-time feeds through the credit bureaus. Okay, whatever exposure he has taken after in a given time, so you have access to it real time. Okay, so all of these are very, very important. And also there are some data feeds that could come from network operators, from other ecosystem data sources. So it would be good to ensure that you are running on real-time data so that there is no latency. That is very, very important. And the AI models themselves, there is a need to continually observe them. The coefficient of determination, for example, on regular basis to ensure that the models continue to give valid outcomes continuously. So there is a need to review some of these outcomes to ensure that you have valid outcomes. Okay, so of course, integration of advanced analytics, predictive analytics, descriptive analytics, prescriptive analytics, all of these help to ensure that the organization gain insights, even from the various avalanche of data that is available to the enterprise. And also, as AI continues to run, because of the machine learning capability, it is able to detect new variables, okay, and then bring these variables into the calculations and into the models. So there is a need to continuously look at those new variables that are coming in. What is the and they need to determine the correlation coefficient. To what extent are these variables really related to the subject matter, to ensure that you are not introducing noise into the system. That is also very, very important. And then there's a need to continually review the models to ensure that they are relevant per time. Okay, so it's not something, AI is not something that you implement and you just, oh, I've done AI. So let me just, everything just begin to cruise. From time to time on periodic basis, there is a need to review these things. And also at some point, either on quarterly basis or half-yearly basis, there is a need to review sample loans manually. That's in like loans that AI will have done. You run it through the old school manual process to check what would we have done given this set of circumstances, and compare it to the AI outcomes, so that if something has gone wrong, you are able to take immediate corrective measures. So all of this becomes really very important to ensure that not only that AI deliver value, that it continuously or continually, deliver and maximize those values. Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.